for sensing. It is composed of the heart, the blood vessels, and blood. For that reason, it is also
May nakibasa guys
the
sa mga anak ko. Vascular.
vascular system.
Very good.
Cardio refers to heart and vascular
System.
refers to a CHANN equal N.
Usa na? Channel.
Channel.
May channel.
Channel are passage through which blood pieces that are circulatory system is responsible for
Very
distribute
good na kay guys. Oh, mabasa guys.
nutrients
Ma.
parts of the body. The waste materials are then eliminated from the body through Sane.
Naman.
Ubos kayo.
Kinaubsan.
Exercise.
Excretory organs.
Excretory organs.
Bye-bye na. Thank you for watching.
Love you to.